Hi, so my topic is assignment 4, which says, let me introduce you the topic. In this assignment, the objective was to investigate the behavior of TCP protocol. It is done by transferring a 150 kilobyte file from my computer to a remote server. A file was given to us, so we just need to, transfer the file and to the remote server. It also talks about the TCP connection setup. What is TCP? TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It is a transport layer protocol. It is one of the main protocol in TCP IP connection. It helps in establishing a connection between the users and even to send data packets. So basically it has two services, one of it which is to establish a connection, the other one is to send data packets. Okay, let me show you the TCP IP protocol architecture. So as you can see that this is a OSI model over here, and this is a TCP protocol. So basically it stays in the transport layer and helps in functioning of that layer. Let me introduce to a TCP three-way handshake mechanism. So in this mechanism there are two ends, host A, host B, and there are three basic functions, SYN, SYN-ACK and ACK. So host A sends a TCP synchronized packet to host B. Host B now receives a SYN. Now host B sends a synchronized acknowledgement to acknowledge that he has received the packet. Now host A receives that B's SYN-ACK message. Now host A sends acknowledgement. Host B receives acknowledgement, and that's how TCP socket connection is established. Now let me introduce to the tool which we use in processing of this assignment, which is Wireshark. It is a tool used for network protocol analyzing. So let me just discuss some of the features of Wireshark, which is deep inspection of hundreds of protocols with more being added all the time, live capture and offline analysis, and one of the biggest advantage of the Wireshark is multi-platform. It can run on Windows, Linux, OS X and many other platforms. And it is, until now, it is the most powerful display filters in the industry. Let me show you some of the examples which we had in our assignments. And one of the example was to trace IP address and port number of client computer. So as you can see that this is a screenshot for the from the Wireshark tool, and this is the IP address 172.31.99.234, and port number which is 50646, and port number is mentioned in the middle of the page, and IP address is mentioned over in at the top part. Now another example was to track server IP address. It is done in the same way. IP address is over here in destination part, and port number is again over here in the bottom part. That's how we are done. Thank you.